YouTube, this is another round of BB gun wall, but this time we're going to be in the dark. We're not complete dark, because we have my battery's going up. Right without the case, so I took the case off. A night vision. They go straight down to my BB gun, so that's good. Don't worry guys, probably you're thinking, oh that would block it, that would block it. It doesn't block it because my BB, that's always open, the holder, so all down in the holder. Ouch, I knocked it over guys, and the holder's open, so yeah. Same person and that again. Ammo isn't run out, I doubt it. Let's do this. Ready? Yeah, I heard you. No, just say it. Just say it. So yeah. Didn't you look? Woo! Shot me, little bugger. You seen that? Ouch! Oh! Shot you right in the hand. Oh, triple bullet in the hand. Oh. If you don't know, he shoots triple at a time and he shot me right in the fucking hand. Oh man.